one winter's night when the cold wind blew, the engines found it hard to sleep. What we need, suggested Toby, is to listen to a story. A mysterious story, said Percy. But, added Duck, it must have a happy ending. That's not a happy ending, exclaimed Percy. Ah, murmured Thomas sleepily. There will be, but that'll have to wait until next time.